Amid the lush green hills of Taishun, Zhejiang, a unique chicken farm is quietly sparking a revolution in modern agriculture. Gone are the days of stuffy coops and traditional caging methods. This farm offers its black-feathered chickens a lifestyle that's almost like a vacation. They roam freely across wooden huts stacked like terraced fields, shaded by charming round shelters topped with thatched roofs. From a distance, the entire farm resembles a serene, ancient Asian village, peaceful, picturesque, and full of character. The most striking feature is a winding monorail system that runs through the farm like a mini roller coaster, a brilliant blend of technology and nature. Workers use it to transport feed and supplies. But the real surprise comes when mischievous chickens hop onto the moving carts, enjoying the ride while snacking along the way. This innovative model not only improves labor efficiency but also creates a fun and engaging living environment for the chickens.